Once you've identified the problem with your rotary cutter, fixing it is usually straightforward. The most common fix is replacing a dull blade immediately. For blade maintenance, sharpening blades regularly can extend their life. The most common size is 45 mm blades, which are standard for quilters. If the blade was incorrectly installed, you'll need to disassemble and reassemble it properly. Take a photo before disassembly to help with correct reassembly. Your cutting mat also needs regular maintenance. Clean it with mild detergent and lukewarm water. If the mat is severely damaged with deep grooves, replace it entirely. Regular maintenance is crucial for optimal performance. Clean your rotary cutter by removing the blade and wiping away lint and residue after each project. Lubrication is essential for smooth operation. Add a single drop of sewing machine oil around the center of the blade before reassembling the cutter. Proper storage and regular inspection are key to longevity. Store your cutter in a cool, dry place and inspect it before each use, tightening any loose parts. For best results, avoid cutting over pins and consider investing in high-quality cutters from reputable brands like Olfa or Fiskars for superior performance and durability. Following these maintenance steps will keep your rotary cutter performing at its best, ensuring clean, precise cuts for all your fabric projects.